Everyone, Rich Grogan, Grogan's Academy of Martial Arts. Hope you're having a terrific day. I want to share a message with you that I shared with my instructors the other day, and it was all about taking it to the next level and doing that, having that attitude to take it to the next level in anything and everything you do. Now, granted, others may not understand you, but that's okay. Okay, don't allow simple-minded thinkers or people that just kind of go through the norm to influence you in any given way. Nothing great, nothing great has ever been achieved by just doing the bare bones minimum. Take it to the next level. Be the person you were made to be. Leave your mark on society. Don't be like everybody else. And that also goes with the way you treat other people. Treat everybody the right way. Give that little bit of extra. But most importantly, do it for the right reasons. Don't do it as leverage and as a thing, well, I did this for him and he owes me this or she owes me that. That's an extremely shallow and selfish way of thinking. Do it for the right reasons, and I promise you'll feel much, much better, and you'll get much, much more accomplished. And like I mentioned, be the person you were born to be. As Zig Ziglar always says, how do you get everything you want in life? You get everything you want in life by helping enough other people get what they want in life. So think about that. Do that little extra in everything you do, and I promise you'll feel great about it. Thanks again for listening. Have a terrific day. Now get out there and make a difference in somebody's life, and we'll chat with you real soon. Bye-bye.